Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable order updates push notifications on Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. Then next we're going to click on You, which is found right at the middle. Then next we're going to click on Settings, found at the top right corner. Again here we're going to click on Notifications. So under Order Updates you're going to click on Edit. Then as you can see the push notifications is turned off, so you're going to turn it on. So now you're going to receive push notifications in your device about any order updates. So that's how you basically do it. You guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful app. Then you guys can continue your shopping. As you can see, it has different sections. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.